Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm just doing a quick tutorial video on how I recreated the first page of the Coinbase UI. There's going to be more to come in this video series. I'm going to be doing the whole app eventually, each page in the tab bar controller. So anyway, today I just have the first page finished up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I've posted some progress, some sped up versions of me coding the UI. So today I'm just here to explain it. And if you haven't checked those out yet, remember to follow at Joey__codes. So to start it off, here is the page that we created. It's just the portfolio page with the portfolio balance, a little pop-up that comes up sometimes, and then the watch list. There is some more stuff that comes under this, but I'll be doing that in another video. Don't want this one to take too long. So let's get to the code. Most important part, since mainly what we're doing here is UI, is the storyboard file. I'm doing this in Swift with UIKit and Storyboards. So if you take a look here, we just have the flow of the application, a tab bar controller, a navigation controller for each page of the tab bar controller, and then the home page that I did here. So within this home page, it's not terribly complex. You have a scroll view, so you can scroll once there's too much information for one screen. A view here with the portfolio balance, that's just a label. An image view for the button that's there. I used an image view so I could resize the image better. Buttons don't have good resizing options. Another view here with some labels for this pop-up. And then here we have the watch list section, which is actually using a table view, so I can create a view once and reuse it many times for each type of crypto, since there's a list there, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. I didn't want to recreate this view a ton of different times. So I created one default cell here, and each cell that I load in from an array will be replacing the information here. So that's about it for the home screen. On this view here, I did add some shadows to create the shadow effect that you see in Coinbase. And additionally, there's some corner radius to round the corners on all the views in here. So that's about it for the storyboard. Next, I have a model, which is just the crypto, so I can hold information about each crypto in an array to display on the wishlist page. So I just have some basic information here that the cell shows, like the name, price, abbreviation. After that, there's the home view controller, which is what controls the kind of the storyboard page that I was showing earlier. It contains references to the scroll view and the table view. And it also has an array that holds the different cryptos we'll be displaying. This first function here, we call it just to add some default information in. I added like Bitcoin, Ethereum, just to make it look exactly like that reference screenshot that I took a few days ago. So I'm just creating all these crypto objects, appending them to my coins array, and then reloading the table view so it reflects these changes. After that, I just have a little extension here for the UI table view functions. These are kind of default functions that the UI table view just needs to do its thing, basically loading information. So here I just return how many coins are in the array. This function is how each table view cell is loaded. It takes a crypto from my array, depending on which index it's at. It creates a cell here, and then it's just customizing the cell, basically adding the name, price, changing the percentage label, and then setting the icon color, since I didn't use actual icons. And then here it just returns it to the table view. Finally, there is just this function which determines the cell height. Finally, there's the cell file, which holds the information that the cell has, such as the title label, the icon image view, the price label, that type of stuff. And that's about all for that. It's basically just a template that I can reuse so I can easily make new cells whenever I want. So those are the 3 files being used right now, or 4 actually. Main Storyboard is the biggest portion since I am using Storyboards for the UI. This does the majority of the work. The rest kind of just controls the table view at this point. So if you guys want to take a look one more time, this is the final product right here. Just the portfolio balance and the watch list at this point. So guys, you should really stay tuned to this series that I'm doing. I'm going to be finishing up this entire app, showing the progress on Instagram, and then doing some more informational videos like this one on YouTube. So definitely give me a follow on Instagram, a subscribe on YouTube to continue seeing this progress, see some of my explanations here. A lot of people are doing this type of stuff with Swift UI right now. So I'm just doing this in Storyboards for everyone that likes to use that for now. So thanks for watching this one, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.